This is how to replace a touchscreen on a Toyota Sienna and Toyota Tundra. I'll remove these screws right here on the side. After that, you're gonna have these little clips here, and then this faceplate's gonna pop out just like so. And you want to lift this tab up if you can see it. Just pop it up. This comes right out. Put the rig to the side. On this one, I don't have the SD card part, so it's missing. So you're going to want to remove next these screws right here. This pops off. And then after that pops off, you're going to have 1, 2, you actually remove all these screws pretty much that are on here. Actually, leave the silver screws. Take all the black screws off, leave the silver ones. And then, in order to get this, the touchscreen out, ribbon cable, just pop that off. Pull the knob off, and then this whole part should come right out. So after you do that, touchscreen will come right off. And then just go ahead, put the new touchscreen in here. And then you're going to take the new touchscreen, you're just going to pop it in just like so. Oops, wrong way. Once she's in there, you're just going to put this back on and screw everything back together, and you're all set.